is with great joy and honour that we stand here to celebrate and recognise the beautiful and diverse history, culture and achievements of Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples within our community and nation. NAIDOC stands for the National Aboriginal and Islanders Day Observance Committee, and although the official week will take place in the school holidays, we take this opportunity to recognise this important event at Barker and to come together to celebrate the oldest continuous living cultures on Earth.
We want to celebrate the first people of this country. And for Barker, that is really a big deal because our first people are also our people and we are their people. And so today we're joined by children from Darkinjung Barker and Ngarralingayil Barker and their families and staff.
We have the opportunity to learn so much from each other. However, we need to create a space in Australia where we reject racism and we forge respectful reciprocal relationships.
May we all leave today knowing how much we can learn from Indigenous Australia. Through sport, academia, to just how to live life in general. We can learn so much from them, as Dr. Holt said. And so may I encourage all of you to please leave today knowing that and to embody that in your daily lives.